Hello, welcome. Today let us have a class on chapter midpoint theorem. Already in the previous classes you have learned what is midpoint theorem, what is converse of midpoint theorem, equal intercept theorem, and also some problems I have explained you. Today let us have one more problem for you based on midpoint theorem. The problem is this. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. AC is its diagonal. We have to show that SR is parallel to AC and SR is a half of AC. Second bit is PQ is equal to SR, and third bit we have to show that PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. So let us write all the steps. Whenever you want to prove something, all the steps are to be written clearly. What is given, what to proof step you have to write. So what is given is ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral given and PQRS are midpoints of AB, BC, CD, DA. That is respectively AC is the diagonal that is shown. And what you have to prove is, all these we have to prove. First one, I am not going to write again. Okay. This one, all these. First bit is this, second bit is this, third bit is this. We have to prove. Now let us come to proof step. So first work out for SR parallel to AC. SR is half of AC. Very easily, direct midpoint formula. See triangle DAC. In triangle DAC, S and R are the midpoints of DA and DC. So SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. Direct formula we are getting. Midpoint formula. In triangle DAC, S and R are midpoints of DA and DC. Therefore, SR is parallel to AC and SR is equal to half of AC. That is by midpoint theorem. You have learned the midpoint theorem that if the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle will be parallel to third side and is half of third side. So that is already proved. So our first bit is done already. Okay. Now let us work out for the second bit. We have to show that PQ is equal to RS. In order to show that PQ is equal to RS, here we got SR equal to half of AC. Let us work out for this triangle and show that PQ is half of AC. If SR is half of AC, PQ is half of AC, then we can show that yes, SR equal to PQ. So now, in triangle ABC, P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC. AB and BC. Therefore, PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half of AC. This is also by midpoint theorem. Okay. Let me name it as first equation. Let it be second equation. Okay. From first and second we know that SR equal to half of AC, PQ equal to half of AC. Therefore, we can show that PQ equal to SR. That is from first and second equations. From 1 and 2 equations, we can know that PQ equal to SR. With this, second bit is proved. Second bit we have to show that PQ is equal to SR. That is proved. Now let us work out for third bit. PQRS is a parallelogram. Here nothing to be done. Very nicely we will be able to do. Here we got SR is parallel to AC. Here we got PQ is parallel to AC. That means SR is parallel to PQ. SR is parallel to AC and PQ is parallel to AC. That implies SR is parallel to PQ. SR is parallel to QP or PQ. And already we got now PQ equal to SR. PQ is equal to SR. Therefore, PQRS is a parallelogram. Why? Because you know that in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. You see, in this quadrilateral PQRS, PQ is parallel to RS. From these two we got. And PQ is equal to RS or SR. Second bit we have already proved. So PQ is parallel to RS. PQ is equal to RS. That means in this quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. That's why this quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. And with this, we are able to prove the third bit. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.